Buckminster Fuller's Dymaxion House, completed in 1929, represented a groundbreaking attempt to revolutionize residential architecture in the 20th century. The name Dymaxion combined the words dynamic, maximum, and tension, reflecting Fuller's innovative approach to housing design. The original concept emerged from Fuller's desire to address fundamental problems in traditional home building. He envisioned a mass-produced, resource-efficient dwelling that could be assembled anywhere. The design featured a central vertical stainless steel strut supporting the entire structure, with radiating beams similar to bicycle wheel spokes supporting the floor and roof. The exterior consisted of wedge-shaped aluminum sheets forming the walls and ceiling. During World War II, Fuller's design caught the attention of the United States Army, which commissioned units for deployment in the Persian Gulf. The project gained significant momentum in 1944 when Fuller partnered with Beech Aircraft Corporation in Wichita, Kansas. The company, facing uncertainty after the war, saw an opportunity to utilize their surplus aluminum and maintain employment by producing up to 50,000 Dymaxion homes annually. The refined 1945 version, known as the Dymaxion dwelling machine or Wichita House, incorporated several technological advancements. The circular structure measured 36 feet in diameter, providing approximately 1,017 square feet of living space. The entire house could be packed into a 16 by 4.5-foot shipping tube and assembled in less than a day. The interior featured 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances. The innovative bathroom design consisted of 2 connected copper bubbles with ergonomic features and efficient ventilation. Despite receiving over 3,500 orders and offering an attractive price point of $6,500, equivalent to a Cadillac, the project never reached mass production. Fuller's perfectionism led him to request 7 additional years for refinements, while union disputes and infrastructure challenges further complicated implementation. The only realized version of the Dymaxion House was constructed by William Graham in 1948, who combined elements from 2 prototypes. The Graham family lived in this modified version until the 1970s. In 1990, they donated the house to the Henry Ford Museum, where it underwent extensive restoration and remains on permanent display since 2001. The Dymaxion House faced criticism for its inflexible design and use of energy-intensive aluminum. However, Fuller defended these choices, citing aluminum's durability, strength, and lightweight properties as compensating factors. The project's ultimate failure didn't diminish its significance as a pioneering effort in sustainable, efficient housing design, influencing architectural thinking well into the future.